Hi, this December, the Comprehensible Classroom and myself are celebrating connecting through stories. Today, tip number 3, teach students how to make suggestions for story details. You can download everything, including the Help Me sign, at the bit.ly link below. Hi, everybody. It's the day after Thanksgiving break. And if you had a day like I did, I'm impressed that you're watching this right now. Um, I want to talk to you today about deciding how you want to manage individual responses and teaching kids about individual responses and how to make suggestions for story asking. So let's get started. So, in tip number 2, I suggested that you decide how you want to manage responses, and we talked about choral responses. So, let's move on to individual responses. That's when one kid responds at a time. Um, First, you have to teach them how and when to respond, and you have to cue them. And then, and this is really important, guys, you need to teach it. You need to practice it, practice more, and don't accept anything less than exactly what you want. For individual response, I cue kids to raise their hand very simply. I raise my hand. Um, then they need to raise theirs. I don't accept shout outs. If they shout out, I raise my hand. I don't call on them. If they raise their hand and go, "Oh, Mimi," I tell them I don't call on Mimis. They have to wait. When I want a suggestion for a story detail, I raise my hand, I point to a sign, and they raise their hand and respond in L1. Me pointing to the sign means that they can respond in L1. Let's take a look. The other thing that I do is I do use a thinking face. So take a look at that. Excelente. Hay una persona. Oh. Esta persona está pensando, cuando yo sea grande, quiero ser... ¿Qué quiere ser esta persona en el futuro?
Un vehículo cantante.
Una persona quien canta. Vehículo. Una persona quien canta a los carros. I hope that you saw my thinking face, me pointing to indicate when the kiddos can use L1, although in this case they didn't, and a little negotiation. I wasn't quite sure what he was saying, but did you see how by me raising my hand, indicating that they could use L1, the students understood that's when I don't know the detail. I hope this tip has helped you a little bit with gaining some more confidence in story asking. Have a great day.